Hi, my name is David Saylor with Mimaki USA. Today, let's check out a sign solution that can enhance your profitability and efficiency using your Mimaki UCJV UV LED printer cutter. My mechanic and good pals at Park Avenue Auto Service in Cranston, Rhode Island presented a problem. He wanted a fresh look for his business and also a way to limit light coming into the counter and waiting area. He explained that the mini blinds that were up got very dirty and they looked cheap. I suggested window perforating film, but putting film on the outside is always short-lived. Since his windows were not tinted, we could mount the film on the inside. So our solution was this. We printed on clear window film, reverse printed on the UCJV 330, and then we mounted it on the inside of the glass. Now the advantages are, it's long lasting, there's no need for lamination. You can actually create your desired hole size. And you can create no holes behind important text, so the text messaging is not lost. The benefits are, it's easy to read, long lasting signage, and we elevated the look for the business. That's how you make money with your Mimaki UCJV 330 printer.